Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to talk about user inputs in Java. There are three ways we can take user inputs in Java. Number one, we can use the scanner class. Secondly, we can use the buffer reader class. And thirdly, we can use data input stream class. In this video we are going to talk about the scanner class, which is the easiest way to take user inputs in Java. So to use the scanner class in our program, we have to import java.util package where the scanner class is located. Either we can write java.util.scanner, which will specifically import only the scanner class in our program, but we can write java.util.star. This will import all the classes from that util package. Now to take the user input, we have to create one scanner object. I'm gonna call it sc, and then I'm gonna write new scanner, and inside the parentheses we have to write system.in. So in this line of statement, first of all we have created one scanner object sc, and then we have written new scanner, and this has taken system.in as argument. The system.in refer to the standard input device, which is in our case referred to the keyboard device. Now to take the user input, we have to use the scanner object sc and call the different available methods of the scanner class. Like we can call the next boolean method, and this will take one boolean input from the user. And also we can call the next byte method, and this will take one byte input from the user. And also we can call the next sort method. This will take one sort input from the user. And to take the integer input, we have to call the next int method. And also we have the next long method to take one user long input. To take the float input, we have to call the next float method. To take one double input, we have to call the next double method. The next line method will take one string input from the user. So now we are going to do an example program where we are going to use the next line method to take user's name as input, and then we are going to print that back to the console. So first of all I'm going to print please enter your name, and then I'm going to create one string variable str which is going to store the user's input name, and then I'm going to call sc dot next line. This will take the user input, and then I'm going to use a print method to print your name is, and then print the str onto the console. So I'm going to save the program. So I'm going to compile and run the program. It says please enter your name, so I'm going to type rapid tutor, and it printed back your name is rapid tutor. So first of all we have created one scanner class object sc, and then we have printed please enter your name onto the console, and then we have taken the user input using the next line method of the scanner class, and the taken input string will be stored in the string variable str. And then we have again used the print method and printed the user's name back to the console, and this line has printed the string rapid tutor back to the console. So this is the way we can use the scanner class and take user input in our program. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.